Nakadaw ka jingduna ka biyo ay ka jingpang COVID-19 mat kumjuh ki bayap na kini ka jingpang ka kynhun myntri ha ka kandai Tarik Mynta Bnai kala shime ka rai ban Weng no ay Katto Katne ki Kyndon ki balabo ha kini ki Bnai bar ki sngi baladam ukanet ki sangma bay krep kla pathai kubor ulo ang bawat la Weng kini ki Kyndon hendrei ki brio kim dei pat ban kensting bar kirmen ba audio i ka jingba ka jinglong jingman nakadaw jong COVID-19 ha kini ki sngi ki barwan.
We have seen that the numbers are going down in terms of the positive cases. We have seen also that the people affected by COVID and the number of deaths that have taken place, though every life is precious, but we've seen that the impact of this wave has not been so much in terms of the number of lives we have lost. Number three, we have also seen that the lives that we have lost are not directly COVID related, though they were COVID positive, but they had other serious conditions. So therefore, keeping all of these factors in mind, we are seeing a trend, and this is based on facts and figures. We are seeing a trend where the numbers are reducing, the positivity rate is going down, the number of deaths is far lesser than what it was earlier. And therefore, while we always try to balance between the safety and health of the people and the economic conditions, activities, we strongly feel that normalcy must return. So therefore, we can't let our guards down fully, but we will take precaution. But I think we need to ease the overall restrictions so that normalcy can return to the state. But I still urge our citizens that we must continue to follow the protocols and we must always keep ourselves safe. But we are hopeful and we hope that we will see things improve in the future also. But one has to be careful still and we cannot take things lightly.